I had a question regarding the difference between a beard leave-in conditioner, and also my mic piece broke, so I'm going to be holding this. The difference between what's the difference between a beard conditioner and a beard leave-in conditioner? So just to kind of go through quickly, starting with a leave-in beard conditioner, make sure. There's three things that you should know about a leave-in beard conditioner. One is going to help with the frizz. Two is going to help to detangle your beard. And three is going to help to moisturize your beard. And last but least, I almost forgot this. Not only that, but with a beard leave-in conditioner, you avoid a lot of buildup versus some rinse conditioners. So that's the difference that those are the four things that you need to know about a leave-in beard conditioner. Now, another thing with the beard conditioner or a leave-in beard conditioner is that when it moisturizes your beard, it lasts a lot longer than a rinse beard conditioner. So understand that piece. Now, when it comes to a beard rinse conditioner, there's a couple things you should know about that. Is that typically or traditionally speaking, you use a rinse beard conditioner after you wash your beard. And the reason why is because when you're washing your beard, you have scales or cuticles on each strand. And when you wash it, they go up like a Lamborghini doors. So the wash can clean under your cuticles. Then, excuse me, I just had a protein smoothie. So your boy trying to get his weight up. You know what I'm saying? So I just got to wake up in the morning time to hit the gym, but that's neither here nor there. The beard rinse conditioner, after you wash your beard, the beard rinse conditioner, then what it does is that it would smooth out those cuticles. So that way your beard is shiny, has this silky, feel and look to it. And also, last but not least, your beard should feel soft after you use a conditioner, and it's going to restore the moisture. And that's the last one I want to talk to you guys about. A rinse beard conditioner is going to help to restore the moisture. So those are the differences between a beard leave-in conditioner and a beard rinse conditioner. Now, when you use a leave-in conditioner, you use a leave-in conditioner. I think somebody had asked this question too. You'll use a leave-in conditioner at least twice a day, morning, and then as well as in the evening. Now that may vary for some, but standard morning, in the evening. All right. For the rinse conditioner, you can use it at least 3 times a week. All right. So at least 3 times a week. Some may take it and use it as a co-wash and use it in between their washes because, rather they're going to the gym or you work in a facility where you get a lot of dust, a lot of dirt, a lot of pollution. So that may be you, it may not be you, but again, you can use that.